smoke from a button on the control stick as the red arrows come past in big vixen formation. Red 2 to the right of red 1 is squadron leader Chris McCann. Chris formerly flew the Tornado GR4 on the front line. He's also been an instructor on the Tucano and is in his first season on the Red Arrows. Well, it's our pleasure to be in Canada for the 100th anniversary of the Royal Canadian Air Force, and this weekend we're celebrating 3 anniversaries. It's also the 75th anniversary of this glorious show in Toronto, and we are in the 60th display season of the Red Arrows. Red 1, the other pilots reacting to the tone of his voice as they ease the aircraft up. 4 to 5G in the pool, smoking as they go across the top, and as we lose them in the sun, they'll transition to our next formation at the top of the loop into signals. Apexing over the top of the loop at 5,000 feet, the iconic smoke trail through the sun, the smoke about to be cooled off. On the outside of the wing, we have Reds 4 and 5. Red 4 is Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie is upside down at 4,000 feet, the 5 and the 4 in the chevron. Red 1 anchoring around onto our left-hand side, getting the team ready for one of the most iconic manoeuvres of our first half of our position. Red 1 about to bend the whole formation around to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. This is Tornado. The aircraft comes the whole section out to unload. It's a bank around, pulling visual. The smoke coming back on, ready for the 4-5 cross. The red comes on at 2 and 3. Behind the blue smoke changing to white is Red 9, that's Flight Lieutenant Paddy Kershaw. Paddy has previously flown the Tornado GR4 and the Typhoon on the front line. He's also instructed on the Hawk and is in his final year on the Red Arrows. Mission barrel. Passing 30 metres apart, 6. Wait for Red 1's call, get your cameras ready. Let's go. Brake, go, pulls Red 1. Complete the tango pass. Red 6 will be leading Anna back in for their next manoeuvre. Red 6 is right. Red 6 inverted. The other 3 aircraft the right way round, but as they Red 6 now the right way round. Everybody else inverted. It's the mirror roll. Flying canopy to canopy with Red 6 is Red 7. Red leader Tom Hansford. There goes the call for Reds 4 and 5 to start their rolls. Anniversary break.